I will explain how to use a 10 liter Oxymed oxygen concentrator. We need a few accessories. This is a humidifier bottle and this is a connecting tube and this nasal cannula. So we need to add distilled water here to the humidifier bottle. There is a marking, we can see minimum and maximum. We need to add water between these two marking. After adding the water, we need to place this bottle in the space given at the back side of the machine here and connect this tube in at the top here and to the oxygen outlet given here. Once this is done, we need to connect this nasal cannula here, this horizontal outlet, and another end we can give it to the patient. Once this is done, we need to connect the power cord. Power cord connection is here. Switch on it, and this is power button. Yeah. Now we can regulate the flow of oxygen, how much oxygen is needed. So you can adjust from 0, 0.5 to up to 10 liter. You can feel oxygen coming here. So in case two people wanted to use this, since this is a dual flow machine, we can put additional humidifier bottle here